Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Rajkumar Shivhare, PGT Mathematics at MLZS Jhansi. Students, today's our topic is permutation. Now, in permutation, first we have to know what is factorials. As it is clear by the name, factorials mean factors. Okay. So the formula for this is n factorial. N is any integer. N factorial, this is the symbol for factorial. It means n, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 and so on till 1. These all terms are in multiply form, and in this what we have done, subtract every time minus 1 from the number. This we can understand by taking an example. For example, 5 factorial. So this will be equals to 5 into 5 minus 1, that is 4, again minus 1, again minus 1, again minus 1 till it comes 1. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, this is equal to 120. So this is the value of 5 factorial. Now, second example, 10 factorial upon 8 factorial. So this can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. Okay? 8 factorial, and 8 factorial will cancel out. 10 into 9, 90 is the answer. Now there are some properties. 2 factorial plus 3 factorial never equals to 5 factorial. We cannot add factorial, as simple as that. 2 factorial into 3 factorial never gives 6 factorial. We cannot multiply the factorial terms. Similarly, we cannot divide the factorial term. 10 factorial upon 2 factorial is not equal to 5 factorial. Please remember these fundamental properties. Now take next example is, there are total number of objects are n, out of which we have to arrange r at a time. So this can be done by n factorial upon n minus r factorial, whereas n always greater or equal to r. Now this formula can be explained by some example. 5p2, total objects 5, out of which we have to arrange 2 at a time. So this can be done in this way. 5 factorial upon 5 minus 2 factorial. So 5 factorial upon 3 factorial. Now 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. 3 factorial will cancel out. 5 4 is 20. So there are total number of 20 ways in which we arrange 2 objects out of 5 at a time. Take another example, 10p6. 10 factorial upon 10 minus 6 factorial, that is 10 factorial upon 4 factorial. 10 factorial can be written as 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 factorial. 4 factorial, 4 we cancel out. After multiplying this, we will get this. Now, some statement problem. Find all 3-digit numbers with repetition. Find all 3-digit numbers with repetition. So we know that 3-digit number consists 100 place, 10s place and 1s place. So we know that 100 place can be filled in 9 ways. How many ways are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 10 ways to fill these all. But 100 place cannot be filled by 0. So this place can be filled in using 9 digits, that is 9 ways. Now with repetition, we can repeat the things. Now 10's place can be filled in 10 ways. 10 options we have. Again 1's place, to fill 1's place we have 10 options. So total number of 3-digit numbers with repetition are 9 into 10 into 10, that is 900. Okay students, so that's all for the day. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.